And they were up dashing. Cuccinelli moving up on the outside by the rail, nose west. Abon's Treasure moving up now to take third, and followed by Doremi. Speed to Riches as they race towards the last 800. Now we have runner number one, nose west in command. Cuccinelli dashing, moving up in between runners. Abon's Treasure is racing in fourth. Then comes Speed to Riches. Then running on the outside, Careless Whisper. Doremi as they turn to the last 450. Nose west, Cuccinelli dashing is splitting horses as they turn for home. Dashing takes up the running by the rail, nose west. Abon's Treasure sneaking in down on the inside. Cuccinelli's on the outside and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Dashing by about a length and a half. Cuccinelli in second and moving up. Abon's Treasure. It's Dashing, Cuccinelli, and finally Dashing, Cuccinelli, Abon's Treasure. Close between Speed to Riches and Nose West. Then comes Careless Whisper and Doremi.